Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. Today we are going to see what a triple top pattern in the technical analysis of stocks is. A triple top is considered a bearish signal indicating a possible reversal of a current uptrend into a downtrend. एक bearish signal है जो कि downtrend signify करता है and it is a reversal pattern indicating कि current uptrend जो है as is visible in the chart before the formation of this pattern there is a current uptrend which is going on that will be converted into a downtrend. In the near future stock is going to witness a downtrend. It is very similar to the head and shoulder pattern. हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न में भी 3 पीक्स होते हैं इसी तरीके के जिस तरीके से अपन इसमें देख पा रहे हैं बट द डिफरेंस इज दैट these 3 peaks are almost at the same levels पे हैं ये 3 peaks and in head and shoulder pattern the head is at a higher level and the 2 shoulders are at the same level. Both of them are reversal patterns so there may be confusion among the investors to judge, so investors should always be quite keen in observing all these things. Coming on to the details of the pattern, it is composed of a triple top pattern is composed of 3 sharp highs. See, these are the 3 sharp highs. First high, this is the second high and the third high, almost at the same price level. These are same price levels पे हैं. Investors should note that the 3 highs tend to be sharp. Investors should note that ये जो highs हैं, this should be sharp highs. While highs should be sharp and distinct, the lows of the pattern can appear to be rounded. Highs should be sharp and distinct as I said, but the lows can be rounded. थोड़े से rounded lows हो सकते हैं. The pattern is complete when the price falls below the lowest point of the formation. See, in this pattern the lowest point is this, and when the price falls below this, the lowest point of the formation, and the pattern confirms itself, and at this point a sell signal is generated, and this is the confirmation point of the pattern. So this is here, it is the confirmation point. The lows should be fairly rounded in shape, although it is not absolutely necessary for the validity of the pattern. As I said earlier also, the lows should be rounded in pattern, but if they're not rounded, it is not completely absolutely necessary for the validity of the pattern. A triple top is a reversal pattern and illustrates an uptrend in the process of converting into a downtrend. So it's therefore vital for the validity of the pattern that it commences with the price moving in an uptrend. It is very vital for the pattern कि जो pattern form होना चालू हो रहा है, it starts forming when the prices are in a uptrend. Generally volumes in a triple top tend to trend downwards as the pattern form. As we can see, the volumes are diminishing as the pattern is forming. Volumes tend to be lighter on each successive high. At each successive high the volumes are lighter, showing that ये जो प्राइस रिट्रेस कर रहे हैं इस रिट्रेसमेंट रेसिस्टेंस लेवल पे वो एग्रेसिव बाइंग नहीं है, एंड देयरफॉर द प्राइस आर कमिंग बैक अगेन, एंड the volume should also give a breakout at this breakout level from the pattern. Talking about some important characteristics of the pattern, first is duration. It usually takes longer than other patterns to form this pattern. This is a long duration pattern, and longer the pattern, greater is its the significance of the pattern on the prices of the stock. Need for a uptrend. Because it is a reversal pattern, there is a need for an uptrend before this pattern to commence. A pullback in stocks. A pullback is very common in the triple top to be visible after the price breaks out. एक pullback आता ही है. Talking about the symmetry the pattern faces, investors looking for a valid triple top should be wary of a pattern that shows a lot of white space as it is developing. The pattern should display a fairly regular progression among the 3 well separated lows highs that are formed. There's some criteria that support and refute. The support and resistance should be around these breakout levels. Then the prices should be above the moving averages. जो 50-day or 200-day moving averages at these levels and should fall below when the price breaks out these levels. There should be a volume spike at these points when there's a breakout from the pattern. ये पॉइंट्स ब्रेकआउट होते हैं तो वॉल्यूम से भी ब्रेकआउट आना चाहिए. एंड अदर रिवर्सल पैटर्न्स सच एज बेयरिश एनगल्फिंग एंड आइसलैंड्स दैट occurs at the peaks and valleys indicate strong resistance at those points. The presence of these patterns inside a triple top is a supporting criteria for the pattern. So this is all about the triple top pattern. I hope I've made myself clear. Any queries you guys have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.